Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you the soft blur effect tutorial on CapCut. So first import your clips and then go to effect, video effects, and go to basic and click on the diamond zoom effect. And then click on the check icon and adjust the clip so that it aligns with the first video, and click on adjust on the effects and set the size into 45 and then the intensity into 5 and set the speed into 100, the horizontal set it into 45 and the rotate set it into 50. Okay, after that click on the check icon and next copy the effect for all of the clips. And now you're done. So here is the result. Okay guys, so that's the tutorial to do a soft blur effect in CapCut. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. And last, please click on the thanks below. I will really appreciate that. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.